I lied to you. Well, not intentionally. In this morning's Market Recon, I mentioned that Ford Motor, F, had pierced my $17 target price and that I was on her bound to make some kind of sale and then refigure for you and I, a new target. Shortly after publication, I realized that I had increased my target price for Ford Motor to $19 from $17 in a piece for real money on September 28, when the last sale was $14.65. That was the day after Ford had announced a collaboration with South Korea's SK Innovation to invest a combined $11.4 billion. Ford's portion is $7 billion, in 3 plants, 2 in Kentucky, 1 in Tennessee, to build electric trucks and batteries. Well, nobody ever got fired for taking a profit. It was a small sale. Still long plenty. That said, we move on. Ford Motor. Sarge fave Ford Motor reported the firm's third-quarter financial performance on Wednesday evening. The numbers are impressive. Ford posted adjusted EPS of $0.51, and GAAP EPS of $0.45. By either metric, the firm easily beat Wall Street. Automotive revenue over the 3 months landed at $33.2 billion, down 3% year-over-year, but better than expected. Right off the top of the firm's press release, Ford generated $1.8 billion in net income, adjusted EBIT of $3 billion, and North American auto EBIT margin of 10.2%. The firm also raised guidance for full-year adjusted EBIT to $10.5 billion to $11.5 billion, up from $9 billion to $10 billion. Wall Street was down around $9.5 billion to $9.6 billion on this metric, so the very low end of Ford's range. Never mind, the midpoint is well above consensus view. One interesting takeaway from last night was the fact that Ford attributed the strong performance to an easing of the semiconductor shortage, while also stressing that these shortages will still be with us for quite some time. Ford now has the largest inventory in this industry, and due to strong demand has been able to boost the firm's average sale price 13% to $51,460. On the transition toward electric vehicles, CEO Jim Farley did mention that Ford has annual demand for 200,000 Mustang Mach-E vehicles. Ford is starting to manufacture the Mustang Mach-E in China in addition to the already productive facility in Mexico. The firm expects to have factory capacity to build more than 1 million battery electric vehicles per annum by the mid-2020s. In addition, Ford Credit put together an EBIT of $1.1 billion, benefiting from record high used car prices, driven by chip-impacted shortages of new vehicles industry-wide.